Complete Baking Essentials Bundle. Master the art of baking and unleash your creativity with our Complete Baking Essentials Bundle, which includes a 10-inch oval bread proofing basket with a high-quality linen cloth cover for the ideal dough fermentation environment, a 9-inch round bread proofing bee, a 7.2-inch bread scoring knife to add artistic touches to your bread surface, a bread scoring knife for precise and even slicing, a versatile dough scraper for dough handling and keeping your workspace tidy, a silicone brush for applying glazes or oils, a silicone spatula for easy dough stirring, a multi-purpose silicone bread sling. The 20.8-inch long, 8.3-inch wide, 0.7 millimeters thick silicone bread sling is a powerful accessory, facilitating dough carrying and effortless transfer from your workspace to the baking pan. Robust 300 for stainless steel Danish dough whisk. Mixing dough has never been easier. Our 9-inch long 300 for stainless steel Danish dough whisk boasts a sturdy construction and a comfortable handle, ensuring uniform and smooth dough. Scoring and dough handling tools. The bread scoring knife, and versatile dough scraper allow you to create intricate patterns and cuts on your bread's surface while efficiently handling dough. Whether you're a novice baker or an experienced bread artisan, this bundle equips you with all the necessary tools to create professional quality bread and baked goods with ease. Choose our Professional Baking Tools bundle and savor the delicious results. Link in my bio to buy this.